How's it going, everyone? So, supposedly, Mark Zuckerberg's Threads has signed up over 1 million people on the platform in just a matter of days, supposedly. Threads, the friendly alternative to Twitter. Now, is this true? Well, let's see. Of course, Threads has the massive advantage of being linked to Instagram, something that no other platform enjoys at the moment, because this gives it a giant head start. He went on to say that the goal is to keep it as friendly as possible as it expands, i.e. a more wholesome substitute to Twitter. Funny enough, Jack Dorsey, former CEO of Twitter, he said all of your threads belong to us. And he gave a breakdown of all the data that's collected by Threads, all for the Zuck. Now, supposedly the giant cage fight with Elon is going to happen at the end of July. We'll see if it actually does. But they are training. So some of the data collected, according to Jack Dorsey, health and fitness, which is pretty odd, purchases, financial info, location, contact info, contacts, all of your contacts, your user content, of course, search history, browser history, and identifiers, digital identifiers, which we all have.
Would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
So if you're concerned about privacy, Threads is likely not for you. There's even a section called sensitive data and other. What this other is, well, only the Zuck knows.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about. Your right to privacy.
But why would Threads need to use your financial info? Why would they want your financial info? Well, probably eventually it's going to be tied in with a payment system or something similar, or maybe even some crypto wallet. Could be that. But funny enough, some rascals on Twitter that are not censored are already censored on Threads. And of course, these are the usual suspected accounts of, call them whatever you want. They're censored. But Threads is meant to be a wholesome environment. It's not meant for the conspiracy theorists. It's not meant for those that go against the grain. You would think that AOC would be all for it. But apparently, even AOC is having trouble with Threads, which is just hilarious because she obviously complained about Twitter and especially Elon Musk. Even though she has a Tesla, went on to say that she was on Threads for 5 minutes, but now she thinks the app is bricked. Doge designer said that the app was built using only 3 keys on the keyboard. Control, CV, control, copy, paste, basically. With Elon basically laughing out loud because he claims that the former employees basically just completely copied all of Threads. So they're fighting in the courtroom and they're gonna fight in the cage. Now this makes sense. Beat the hell out of each other, and hopefully, it actually happens. So of course, aside from the data privacy and censorship concerns, there's also the guy who was following Elon Musk's private planes. This kid, all of Elon Musk's airplane rides globally. So he considered it a privacy issue and tried to buy out the dude. Did not succeed at all. So Jack Sweeney, he was the kid, he actually signed up for Threads, which is hilarious. But the guy himself actually directed his post to the Zuck. He said, hey Zuck, will I be allowed to stay? But as of today, his account is basically non-existent, which is pretty funny. Apparently he's not allowed to stay. The guy's censored by everyone. Smart guy though. Jack Sweeney not only tracked Elon, but then he started tracking other big celebrities. Taylor Swift, even Orange Man, Kim Kardashian, and others. Apparently it was a big no-no. Anyways, all right guys, well that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Smash the like if you haven't. Please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.